Intuitively, they tend to even offer better acoustic performance than closed front panel cases because the fans don't need to ramp up as high. Not everyone is into that aesthetic though, so vendors like Corsair have come up with options with glass front panels instead, with spacing and even extra intakes on the motherboard side panel to keep things looking pretty while maintaining solid airflow. Secondary to airflow should be ease of maintenance. If your case has great airflow, but it's a pain to clean once it's sucked a bit of dust in, you're gonna have a bad time. Removable dust filters and easily accessible front panels help tremendously with maintenance, and most good cases will come with these features.